Hola everyone! So, welcome back to my channel. So, for today's vlog is all about the magical Hong Kong Disneyland. So, majority of this vlog is yung aming mga rides and mga attractions na pinuntahan dito sa Disneyland. So, ayan, let me share with you guys ang aming Hong Kong Disneyland Tour. So, ayan, we're going to Disneyland na. Ayan, nandito kami sa Tung Chung Line. And then, ito, after Tung Chung Line, magbaba kayo sa Hong Kong Disneyland Station. And then, makikita nyo na yung Disneyland nila na train. Super nice and super ganda sa loob. You can take also a photo inside if you want actually. And then, kung gusto niyo nang walang tao sa background, ang aking suggestion is, hintayin nyo muna silang bumaba lahat. Tapos, tawag dito, pumunta muna kayo ulit dun sa sa station na yon. Parang back and forth kayo. At least, diba, pagpunta nyo ng Tung Chung Line again, walang tao na kayong kasama para makasolo nyo yung picture taking. Ayan. And dito na kami sa Disneyland actually. Ayan yung anak ko, diba, super happy. This is early entry pass. Ayan, naka-early entry kami guys. Early entry. Mag-book kayo sa Klook or any other partner ng Disneyland or sa Disneyland yung early entry. Kasi maganda talaga siya. Konti yung tao at makakapag-picture-picture pa talaga kayo. Diba? Walang ganang tao, diba? Ang saya-saya. Oh. Kasi 1 hour advance yan. Bago mag-open yung park. So, sa mga susunod na vlogs, guys, i-explain ko or gigib ko kayo ng feedback dun sa mga aming early entry pass and then dun na rin sa tier 2 ticket. And then, ito actually, guys, nung pumunta kami na sa Disneyland 2019, hindi pa to gawa or nire-renovate yung castle nila, yung Magical Castle. Sobrang ganda niya, guys, promise. Here we go! We're going to World of Frozen na, guys. Ayan, sobrang excited kami kasi nga ito yung world's and first largest na Elsa Frozen theme park, diba? Yung mga kasabayan namin, guys, ano rin yan, mga naka-early entry pass, ayan. So, kung makikita nyo, hindi pa siya ganun karami. If mga naka-ibang tiered, ano yan, marami na yan, guys, marami na yung tao. Tsaka, ma-enjoy nyo rin sa early entry is because, konti yung pila. And then, kita nyo naman, hindi talaga ganun karami yung tao. You have time na maganda yung picture nyo. Diba, ayan, super excited talaga ako yan. Kasi, first time namin dyan sa World of Frozen. Kasi nga, way back, hindi pa siya nagagawa nung pumunta kami nung sa Disneyland. Look at this, guys. Everything is so beautifully themed talaga. It's really beautiful na super realistic na you can expect Elsa na para magsising siya dyan, diba? And then, ito, yung anak ko. Alright, so syempre, ang ating first stop is ang Frozen Ever After ride. Ayan. So, it's our first time here sa World of Frozen, Frozen Ever After. Isa siyang boat ride, boat journey siya na may makikita nyo na yung mga characters sa Frozen movie na sila Elsa, sila Anna, si Olaf, syempre. Ayan. So, I'm super excited dito talaga, guys. Ayan. Dito sa vlog na to, guys, papakita ko na lang yung mga clips na mga sinakyan namin. Ayan. So, let's get it in.
On a day very much like today, Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love and thawed a frozen heart.
Oh, and now they're best friends.
Indeed.
Tingnan mo. Si Elsa lalabas.
Sige, papa, camera.
Si Anna. Ayun. Ayun, o. Wow, si Elsa. There we go.
wala na. Wala, Elsa oh. Wala.
B, ba't ganun yung drop, B? Ganon, grabe nakakaloka yung drop.
Wala.
Syempre guys, hindi natin palalagpasin ang mga frozen team treats. Ayan, yung mga ice cream, yung mga, may mga ano rin sila, parang mga mini donut, ayan, and then mga cakes, ayan. Syempre, ang binili namin ay yung cone ice cream na si Olaf, yung famous.
Olaf!
Alam ni Wiri, wala nang buhok si Wiri.
Ang sarap ni Olaf.
Yeah, but sorry. Ay.
Olaf, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna eat you. Olaf, I'm so sorry. Sarap naman.
Every stop. Protective siya.
So, ito naman ang ating next ride is yung It's a Small World dun sa Fantasyland ng Hong Kong Disneyland. Ayan. Dito guys, first time namin makakasakay kasi nung last 2019 nung nagpunta kami, is kulang na yung oras namin talaga. Ayan. So, talagang kailangan nyo ng mahabang oras talaga pag nagpunta kayo ng Hong Kong Disneyland. Ayan. So, since our first time, so ayan, itong ride na to is based sa aking research, chill lang siya. Ayan. So, di ba after nung pagka-drop ng sobra-sobra sa Frozen Ever After, ayan, mag-chill ride muna tayo.
It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. Na na na. Bell. Guys. Wow. Oh. Si Belo, merong ano sila yun? Ha? Ano? This is the Europe area. Hi, Cindy, ano yun? Si Queen Elizabeth.
Elsa oh. I even want to scream, cannot scream, you know?
Ay, upupupo ba yun? Yeah, welcome to Middle East. Oo nga po, diba? Sino yan? You happy? Welcome to Africa. Wow, yes. Isabel, wow. Hippopotamus. Oo, hippopotamus. Yan. Hippopotamus. Elephant. Another giraffe. Welcome to America. Elephant. Well, you see, ang cute ng mga horse, oh. Welcome to Asia. Yeah, oo nga. This one is from Japanese. Ito ay ano, parang
Mahal.
Egypt.
Oh,
India.
That's mahal.
Ayan o, what country?
India.
India, di ba?
Oh, Bali.
Filipino! Ito, Filipino, Belo. Filipino. Yeah, you like? You happy? Welcome to the island there. Welcome to the island now.
Mermaid. I like mermaid.
Do you like mermaid? Huh?
Sino yan?
Si Nemo.
Nemo.
You see Little Mermaid.
And this is
Ariel.
Ariel. This is...
Si Dory. Si Nemo.
I like the princess.
Ah,
Mommy and sister and baby and daddy.
welcome to the rainforest. Have what? Oh. Galing oh, tubig. No, wala water. Oo. Ay, ba, you see, ang ganda. Wow! Wow! Wow, ang ganda naman ito.
Ito yung finale room nila, and then Swedish doll siya, yung mga doll dito, and then according sa Wikipedia, it's new ito para mga 2000, around 2024 lang siya pinagtag, ayan.
Marami pa. Salamat jalan. Goodbye. Goodbye. Paalam. Kwaheri. Happy, bebe? Okay, di ba? Chill lang. Chill lang yung ride na to. Walang nakakatakot. Chill to, chill. Ito po ang isinumpa kong ride, di ba? Sinumpa ko po yan noon. At hindi na ako babalik.
If you're a fan of a Marvel, you can try this Iron Man experience. It's a 3D ride, and they also have an Ant-Man sub ride also. Dito sa ride na to guys, meron kayong mission, yung parang babarilin niyo yung mga parang ewan ko kung anong kalaban. Dito is parang nasa lab kayo, and then ang mission nyo is ayan nga, yung babarilin. Super na-enjoy ko tong ride na to kasi chill lang siya, and then ganyan siya, babaril lang kayo, and then makikita nyo yung score dun sa screen kung ilan na yung score nyo, diba? Super nice, so promise. Ayan, you can try with your kids too kasi ganyan lang siya. This is Mickey and the Wondrous Book in Fantasyland. This is a musical show with your Disney characters. Ayan, ang ganda niya. Manood kayo, ha?
Wow! Who is that?
I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun world. So I'll read a book, or maybe 2 or 3. I'll add a few new things to wear. Then I'll brush and brush and brush and brush my hair. In the same place I've always been. I could go running and racing and dancing and die.
我啲新朋友可唔可以留低啊？
梗可以。The snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. Let them in, let them see. Be the girl you always have to be.
Ayan, lunchtime. So, dito kami sa Royal Banquet kumain. So, kasi based sa aking research, dito yung maraming servings. Ayan, kita nyo naman. Ayan, pang isahan nyo. Pero ang dami ng serving nila. Pwede nyo hatiin actually sa inyong kung couple kayo. Ayan. Ayan. Then, after we had our lunch, dito kami tumuloy sa Toy Story Land. Siyempre, yung Toy Story inspired siya sa Toy Story na movie. Ayan, nakikita nyo dyan sila Giant Woody. Ayan, meron din Giant Rex. And then, yung famous na ng parachute drop na ride. And then, ito, dito kami nag-try ng Slinky Dog Spin. Gusto namin pa-try sa aming youngest daughter. Ayan, nakikita nyo, super enjoy namin. Super enjoy niya. Ayan, syempre hindi namin palalagpasin yung ride na to, yung parachute drop sa may Toy Story Land. Actually, inspired siya ng yung Green Army Man dun sa Toy Story movie. And then, actually, yung ride na to is yung makikita nyo is ililive high sila. And then, hindi naman siya yung sobrang thrill ride na nakakakaba. It's a free fall thrill ride na kapag rinap kanina is more gentle siya. Ayan. And then, actually, perfect din to sa mga families. As you can see, pwede yung ibang bata dito. Kaya, hindi siya ganun ka-scared na ride. It's suitable for the both kids and adults. But, I think they required some height restriction for the kids. Ayan. Diba? Ang ano lang niya, chill lang. Hindi ba siya chill? Parang ganyan lang siya. Ayan.
Mystic Manor, here we come. Ready na ba kayo, guys? Are you ready?
So, a little story about Mystic Manor. Mystic Manor is a tale of Lord Henry Mystic and his monkey companion, Albert. So, inside Mystic Manor, its Lord Mystic collection of artifacts comes to life when Albert accidentally opens a magical music box said to bring objects to life. So, kita nyo naman, diba? Nabuksan siya and then yung mga objects na buhay siya. And then, actually, unlike traditional Haunted Mansion rides, this rides actually is about a more of magical adventure with no ghosts. Actually, hindi rin kayo matatakot. So, pwede rin siya sa bata. And actually, what makes special of this ride is because of yung mga immersive effects niya, may mga animation, and then yung mga soundtrack, and then makikita nyo kasi medyo about yung mga, kasi nga nabuhay yung mga artifacts. So, about spooky din siya, diba? And then, maganda yung kanyang effects talaga, honestly. And kita nyo naman, diba, ang cute ng monkey. So, I hope you enjoy this ride, guys.
touch that music box, did you? You never know. The legend just might be true. Well, I do hope you've enjoyed your visit to Mystic Manor. Cheerio!
So after namin sa Mystic Manor, we direct go here sa Main Street, USA, sa Hong Kong Disneyland to watch the Halloween team na kanilang parade ni Mickey and their friends. Ayan. So kita nyo naman guys, diba? Before nung show, before nung parade niyan, dito sila yung sa Cinderella, yung stepsister and stepmother niya. Ayan. Ang ganda nila, promise, at ang galing talaga nila yung kanilang character. Ayan. So while waiting, nandyan sila nag-e-entertain. Actually, the time pumunta kami is October, so that's why Halloween theme yung kanilang parade. Ayan. So ang kulit ng mga stepmother and yung stepsister. Ang cute nila. Then, after the parade, guys, I claim yung free ice cream or free popcorn dun sa food voucher. Kasi every time na magbubo kayo ng food voucher, may free kayo na popcorn or ice cream. Ayan, yung Minnie Mouse or Mickey Mouse na yung pwede. And then, sumaglit na din pala kami dun sa mabilihan ng souvenirs. And then, ito na ang Momentos, guys. Momentos night show nila. Super ganda niyan. So, watch nyo, guys. Ayan.
As soon as time begins, the magic's never ending. Filled with it, every day is a different page, a story to unfold. We young, time's always moving, we can't slow the hands. Won't last forever, but we won't forget.
So, tip lang guys, if gusto nyo dun kayo sa unahan or sa malapit na view, agahan nyo po yung punta dyan sa Momentos Nighttime Show. Ayun yan, sa may Main Street yan. Ayan. Agahan nyo para dun kitang-kita nyo yung sa harap talaga. Kasi may yung mga fountain niya, may mga ano pa yan, images. Ayan. So, kaya kami medyo around 6 PM na kami. Nandun na kami sa... Though malapit pa rin naman kami, pero hindi talaga yung sobrang lapit. Ayan. So, agahan nyo.
I can show you the world, shining shimmery splendid.
A tip of the hat from Dr. Fancy. Time you try. I got friends on it.
Remember me, though I have to say goodbye. Remember me, don't let it make you cry.
Memories we make with the ones that we love. Time's always moving with memories. Love the memories.
This is our dinner. Bumili lang kami dun sa baba malapit sa Airbnb. Ayan, hindi ko na siya na-share sa inyo yung pagpunta namin kasi nga pagod na guys. So ayan, nagsaing lang kami.